What's good, YouTube? It's your boy James, aka JVS. Hope it's all good for you, because it's all good for me. Now, this video is going to be an unboxing of the Logitech C270 HD webcam. Just got on Amazon today. As you can see, this is my face 360p. I'm going to show you the difference from 360p to 720p. Subscribe, because I'm going to be making some NBA content. It's going to be some fire content. This video will be uploaded on Thursday. And who is the greatest player video will come out on Saturday. Now, let's open this up. Here it is right here, guys. So I need to open this up. Alright, it's a little tricky. And now, gotta open this up. Oh my god, struggling. Okay. Here is the Logitech camera, right here, guys. So right now you see me in 360p, but eventually you're gonna see me in 720p. Finally got this webcam on today. I'm so excited to make videos in 720 now. Like, comment, share, hit the bell, subscribe for NBA content, because I'm gonna make a video on Saturday and Monday. My name is James, aka JVS. Hope it's all good for you, because it's all good for me. I'm out, guys.